what you really need to do as a beginner is just start making videos. Audio. DJI mic mini audio. But if you haven't got the money for the mic minis, just use your normal phone mic. It's fine. It will do for now. But if you want to upgrade with a little sauce, my friend, DJI mic mini. No, not sponsored. So, I love DJI. So, next is lighting. Now, you can use your bedroom light like I have, which is not particularly really good. Or you can go outside and sit by a window and use a window light. Or you can use a light that I got from Amazon, which was probably about like £10, £10, £12, which the difference is this. Look at me, look into my eyes. I look standard, average, but I've seen the light. Right, sorry. Anyway, this makes my face look smooth. Model, yes. No. Anyway, so get a light in, ring light. Doesn't matter what type of light it is, any sort of light, just to light up your face if you don't want to film outside or by a window. Any sort of key light, it's called, any sort of key light. So to brighten up the face. So when people want to see your face, you don't want to be no John Cena, baby. Anyway, next up, do I film in 4K or do I film in normal HD? Now, 4K is becoming the standard go-to, me personally. But you don't always have to have 4K because you can record in normal HD and 30 frames per second. As long as your phone does normal HD, you are good to go, my friend. You are good to go. So now, let's recap. You got your phone, you've got your lighting, you got your audio, and you've got what frame rate you're going to record in. Yes, you're going to need to get a tripod as well to put your phone on, which probably should have been one of the first or second things. What else do we need? Oh, yes. You need to learn how to lock your focus. Now, I'm on the front-facing camera of the iPhone 17, so I'll just hold the button here. I'm holding it. Now, it's locked, so that means I can move over there. I'm sort of out of focus. I'm moving here, and I'm locked in focus. And that's easy peasy, baby. Grid lines. You've got to get your grid lines on, man. Get your grid lines on. Go in your iPhone, go in your settings, scroll down, keep scrolling, and you'll find a thing called grid lines and the leveler, which tells you whether the iPhone's level or not. And the grid lines are easy to frame up your shot. So most of the time you want to be framing things in the middle of your frame, but things can look good if you want to go off to the left a bit to move a bit left if you want to present something here, or you want to present something here. So it helps you frame up your shot. So you've got everything ready to record. There's nothing else apart from test your shots, go through your script, or do bullet points if you don't do a script, and record the video and make everybody see the video. So, beginners, pros, there you go. Next video, teach you more about iPhone stuff, camera stuff, it's one of those ones. So, there's only one thing for you guys to do. Subscribe. Click the next video, if there is one, if you know what I mean. Subscribe and go record that video.